So in your position and with home care, the you deal with a lot of like sort of the legalities. So I just want to touch on the human rights thing. You
Mhm.
mentioned how your mom is always involved in those decisions and all of that stuff. Just because it's Human Rights Day, maybe we can chat just a few minutes about like POA, substitute decision maker. What's the difference? So what kind of things do you encounter? Because I know as a case manager, or I guess you're a care coordinator now. Is that the
Yeah,
title?
a care coordinator. I work at intake, so I don't deal with having caseloads of my own. So that's, we don't touch too much on the POA and SDMs and all, but it's still a position where when we do an assessment and they say, well, no, mom can't answer those questions, but there's no diagnosis of dementia or anything. So we have to take into account that she can, or the person can, at least give us permission to talk to their, substitute decision maker, they're the person, right? And yes, it is important because substitute decision maker it goes like there's a hierarchy, right? If
Mhm.
somebody cannot make the decision, I think first is the spouse, and then it's the child, and so on, right? So if the POA is not in place, it can get pretty messy on who and how to make the decisions if it's something that happens quite quickly, right?
Mhm.
Right.
So to have a POA in place, I think is very important because then you have your person that you hopefully trust,
Yes.
with and had a discussion about your wishes and what you would like things to possibly happen in certain situations. Um, so it's more accurate, right? So having an SDM, yes, it's good, but
POA is
POAs are, yeah,
definitely.
yeah,
Power of
So,
attorney is POA for
yeah,
those that may not be aware. And SDM is substitute decision maker. So one is more legal than the other,
exactly.
basically, right? In terms of how you go about the process and stuff.
Hmm.